Okay, my package has been delivered. I'm gonna try to, can I set it up so I can show people? Let's just set it right there, that should work. Uh, I'm worried about this because I cheaped out on buying a pool stick, so I'm not sure how. Well, it's sealed up pretty nicely. Last couple of packages I had wasn't. Go get a knife or something. See how well these turned out. There we go. I don't know which one's which, so we'll see which one's which. I bought a white stick and a red stick. And they came with their own. Oh, look at that. I got a nice little cleaning rack here. And a case. We'll see which one this one is. Piece of cardboard. And this one is the white one. It looks very nice. I was afraid it was going to look kind of shabby. It was cheap. And this was only $70. Yeah. Not bad. And this is, of course, so. Yes, this is their Rock the World collection here. Got a nice little, kind of looks like an Expendables signature on it. And this is a little weird. So they prep, this is kind of strange because they prepped the surface. I don't know if this is going to catch on camera, but they prepped the surface. That's not a tape, but it looks like a tape. They just machined the surface and then painted it. I think that's all they did, is they painted the surface. No, that's an applied sticker. I can feel how rough it is. So I'm not sure I like that on the shaft. I don't think it comes off cleanly. Because if I have that on the shaft, I could potentially hit it and feel weird while I'm trying to shoot. And now let's take a look at the other one. Oh, I needed to check and see if it was straight. really the reason why I pulled this out. It's got a socket it sits into, so it should pull together straight, and it looks straight. Straight as an arrow. This is straight as an arrow. So it works relatively well. I'll find out if these will work on my McDermott's. I don't think so. I think it's a different thread. This one takes a little bit better than the other one was. There we go. Now let's pull this one out. And again, I'll give you a nice little chamois cloth for you. Get the red one. I got the red one because I have all kinds of blue sticks, or sticks that have blue in them. Oh, that looks really nice. That looks really nice. He's gonna look good on my wall here. See, I got a 19 ounce. Which one is this? This one's a 21 ounce. There was only one available in the 21 ounce. Again, they have the strange, almost looks plastic, but is not exactly sure what it is, whether that's a plastic wrap or what. I need to make sure. This does not look like the correct stick for this. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, it is. The wrap looks good. I mean, it does not look like a cheap stick. The only thing that might be cheap is this tip here. It definitely does not feel like a very expensive tip. It's not a leather tip. Something fake about that. In any case. Alright. They actually came. Well, let me check straightness on this one too. Oh yeah. And both of them straight as an arrow. Perfect. Alright. So it looks like my purchase was actually a pretty good one. Nice. I'm gonna just compare the two here. These are both Rock the World collection, but one's from a different year. This one here is from a different year. These are not bad. I, of course, have not hit with them. I can almost guarantee, I can guarantee that the ferrule and the tip is definitely cheap. Because generally your ferrule is about, another 1/4 inch longer. And then your tip, that does not look like a regular leather tip. Doesn't feel like a regular leather tip either. It's probably hard as rock. Alright. But I can get that retipped for just a couple of bucks. Or do it myself if I really want to. Alright. Have a good one.